Magandang araw! Ang tatalakayin natin ngayon ay protection and conservation of tropical rainforest, coral reefs, and mangrove swamps. A tropical rainforest is very dense, warm, and wet. It is located in the band of equator, mostly in the area of Tropic of Cancer. And there are different organisms living in this ecosystem which interact with each other, namely commensalism, mutualism, competition, predation, and parasitism. Coral reefs are part of marine biome and sometimes called rainforest of the sea because they are built by millions of tiny animals called coral polyps. A mangrove swamp ecosystem has plants, mostly mangrove trees, and animals like crustaceans, fish, and migratory birds. As we live every day, we encounter different organisms, whether living or non-living things. As we do our tasks or works daily, we interact with them. We need them as they need us. In this lesson, you will learn the physical conditions of tropical rainforest, coral reefs, and mangrove swamps. Also, we will learn the feeding relationship and how the ecosystem function, and we need to protect them. Ito yung picture ng tropical rainforest. Tulad ng sabi natin kanina, ito ay dense, ito ay warm, ito ay wet. Rainforests are often called the lungs of the planet for their role in absorbing carbon dioxide. Always remember na tayong mga tao kailangan natin ng oxygen, and yung oxygen na yun ay nanggagaling sa mga puno na nasa paligid natin. At dahil doon, nakakapag-exhale naman tayo ng gas na tinatawag natin na carbon dioxide na kailangan naman yon ng mga puno. Sa madaling salita, kailangan tayo ng puno at kailangan natin ng mga puno dahil nakakapagpalitan tayo ng mga gases, a greenhouse gas, and increase local humidity. Rainforests also stabilize climate, house incredible amounts of plants and wildlife, and produce nourishing rainfall all around the planet. So dito makikita natin kung gaano nga ba talagang kahalaga ang tropical rainforest sa ating mga tao kaya kailangan natin itong pakaingatan. They make much of the oxygen humans and animals depend on. Tulad ng sabi ko kanina, kailangan nga natin ng oxygen and nakukuha natin yon sa mga puno. Without them, there would be less air to breathe. Rainforests also help maintain Earth's climate. By taking in carbon dioxide, they help to reduce the greenhouse effect. We need the rainforest to produce oxygen and clean the atmosphere to help us breathe. We also know that the Earth's climate can be affected as well as the water cycle. Rainforests also provide us with many valuable medicinal plants and may be a source of a cure from some deadly diseases. So dito, pati yung mga medicinal plants, marami tayong mga gamot na maaaring makuha sa mga dahon-dahon, di ba? Kaya talagang napakaganda ng pagkakaroon ng tropical rainforest. Kaya tayong mga tao, kailangan natin itong pakaingatan at huwag nating sisirain. After nun, dako naman tayo dito sa coral reefs na napakagandang pagmasdan sa ilalim ng karagatan. Coral ecosystems are a source of food for millions, protect coastlines from storms and erosions, provide the habitat, spawning, and nursery grounds for economically important fish species, provide jobs and income to local economies from fishing, recreation, and tourism, and also source of new medicines. Dahil nga sa maganda yung ating ekonomiya, maraming mga naiimbento, kaya sabi dito sa coral reefs, pwede rin tayong makakuha ng mga medicines. Hindi lang pala tayo makakakuha ng mga gamot sa mga halaman, kundi maging dito rin. At sabi pa rito, maraming nagagawa sa coral reefs dahil dito pwedeng makapag-produce or makapag-reproduce yung mga species sa ilalim ng dagat at nagiging trabaho rin ng ibang tao dahil kumukuha sila rito ng mga isda. Pero hindi natin kailangang abusuhin ang mga coral reefs dahil kapag ito ay nasira, hindi magiging maganda ang ating karagatan at marami ring mga living things na maaapektuhan. There are ways to protect the reef such as discouraging people from collecting coral for ornamental purposes, illegal dynamite fishing, dumping of garbage into the sea. So, pwede naman natin na tignan ang mga coral reefs pero tulad dito, huwag daw natin itong kokolektahin kasi dahil sa kagandahan niya, yung ibang tao kinukuha ito, ginagawang pan-design, at yung iba naman, ginagawa nila, nagpapasabog sila ng mga dinamita na hindi po ito pwede dahil hindi ninyo alam mayroong mga coral reef sa ilalim na naaapektuhan. At kailangan din nating itigil yung pagtatapon ng basura sa mga karagatan. Next naman po ay ang mangrove swamps. Mangroves are the first line of defense for coastal communities. They stabilize shorelines by slowing erosion and provide natural barriers protecting coastal communities from increased storm surge, flooding, and hurricane. Kumbaga si mangrove swamps, siya yung nagsisilbing shield natin para hindi tayo agad bahain, hindi magkaroon ng pagguho ng mga lupa. Mangrove forests are home to a large variety of fish, crab, shrimp, and mollusk species. So kahit pala sa mangrove swamps ay marami tayong mga living things na makikita or maraming living things na dito ay nakatira. These fisheries form an essential source of food for thousands of coastal communities around the world. This helps stabilizes the coastline and prevents erosion from waves and storms. Mangroves, seagrass beds, and coral reefs work as a single system that keeps coastal zones healthy. Mangroves provide essential habitat for thousands of species. So hindi lang tayo rito sa lupa may species, hindi lang sa mga sea, kundi pati na rin sa mga mangrove swamps. It would be hard to do without mangroves, creating land ideal for coastal development. These trees die from subsequent population stresses. Their abundance of sea creatures leads to overfishing. Without mangroves, red tide algae blooms in the water, kills sea life, and shut down beaches. Po yung ating discussion about sa tropical rainforest, coral reefs, mangrove swamps. Kaya sa madaling salita, kailangan nating ingatan yung mga creature, lahat ng binigay sa atin dahil lahat ito ay may naitutulong sa atin at kapag ito ay hindi natin iningatan, ito ay magdudulot ng hindi maganda. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam.